If you're dealing with dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or just dark spots in general, and you're looking for that bar soaps or those bar soaps that you're going to incorporate into your body care routine that are going to light up your skin and give you a lighter, healthier looking skin that will glow up in just a few weeks, you don't have much time to spare, okay, when it comes to achieving this result, then this particular video, I'm going to be giving you 5 best brightening and lightening body soaps that are going to target those dark spots, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, and just in general, help to brighten up your skin or lighten up your skin, whichever one that you want to achieve. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl, Amarachi Favy. And if today is the very first day you see me on your screen, you are welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. In this particular video, I don't want to waste your time. I want to just show you 5 potent brightening and lightening bar soaps that would help to brighten and lighten up your skin and give you that luminous skin that you're hoping to achieve. If you are in for glowing up this year 2026, then these are the bar soaps that should be in your body care routine. So the very first one I'm going to recommend for you, I've always talked about the particular bar soap in my channel countless times. What's the particular one from Kojie San? This is the Kojie San 3-in-1 bar soap, okay? This Kojie San soap contains 3 bar soaps in it, okay? I'm trying to open it so that you guys can see what is inside. It comes in 3 bars like this, okay? And it is very, very, very potent. There is no how you can get this complete pack and you use it and you will not get the results that you're hoping to achieve. It contains a potent ingredient called kojic acid, which would help to target dark spots, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, uneven skin tone, and make sure that it gets rid of them in no due time. What I like about this soap is that it is so effective and very, very powerful. It can be drying to the skin, but it is so effective. So if you're a dry skin, I would not recommend that you go for this, okay? Because this can be very, very drying to the skin. I've done a detailed video on how you can use this particular soap on your skin, that it will not strip your skin of essential oil or make your skin to be too dry, okay? If you want a lighter and even skin tone, I would recommend that you grab this Kojie San bar soap. So the 4th lightening or brightening bar soap in this routine will have to come from this particular brand, which is the Nano Extra White Natural Papaya and Carrot Soap. This particular soap is so effective because it contains natural papaya extracts, which helps to brighten up your skin. It also contains carrot extracts, which helps to lighten up your skin, as the case might be. So this particular one also contains glutathione, which should also help to whiten up your skin or lighten up your skin and just give you that brighter looking skin. If you have been struggling with dull skin or a skin that just refuses to brighten up, then this is the soap that I will recommend for you. It is so effective. It helps to get the job done and most importantly, helps to give you a glowy skin in no due time. The 3rd bar soap that will help to lighten up your skin that I have been raving about here on YouTube, if you have been following me, you should know that this is one bar soap that I always talk about, will have to be this Alpha 3 Arbutin bar soap. I have always talked about the particular bar soap in my videos, okay? I was one of the creators that started raving about the particular bar soap here on YouTube. It contains collagen and it also contains alpha arbutin. And collagen will help to make sure that your skin barrier is not broken or restore your skin barrier from being broken. If your skin is so sensitive to harsh products like the Kojie San soap, and you're looking for a softer one that can do the job, I would recommend you get this because the alpha arbutin will target the over melanin production and reduce it, meaning that your dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or even skin tone will be a story of the old. And also the collagen that it contains would make sure that your skin barrier is not broken. So it is going to make your skin firm, okay? Firm, and your skin will not be looking saggy at all. This particular bar soap lightens the skin so well. So if you're looking for something that will lighten up your skin, this is the one that I would recommend for you to get. The next bar soap I'm going to recommend for you have to be from the E45, okay? This is the E45 Carrot and Goat Milk 3-in-1 whitening, moisturizing, and purifying bar soap. This particular one is so effective because it contains carrot, which will help to whiten up your skin, and then goat milk, which will help to nourish your skin so well. This particular one will moisturize your skin because it contains goat milk, and also whiten your skin because it contains carrot. It is very effective and potent when it comes to lightening or brightening up your skin very fast. It cleanses your skin without stripping your skin of essential oil, so be rest assured that your skin will not be feeling dry, ashy, or flaky when you use this. But remember to always moisturize your skin properly when you're using any of these bar soaps that I'm recommending in this video. So the last but not the least will still come from this brand E45, which is the E45 3 times carrot, which is enriched with alpha arbutin. It contains alpha arbutin, which would help to get rid of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, discoloration, uneven skin tone, and most importantly, it contains carrot, which would help to whiten up your skin. So this particular bar soap contains carrots 3 times, meaning that it is super effective for skin whitening, purifying your skin, and also making your skin to have a brighter looking skin. If your skin tone is dull, your skin tone is no longer bright as you used to, and you want that particular bar soap they're going to incorporate into your routine that would help to restore the radiance that your skin used to have, I would recommend that you lay your hand on this particular one from the E45. So one thing about all these bar soaps is that you're going to be needing a pre-cleansing bar while you're using them, and I always recommend that you use them at night. Do not use any of these bar soaps during the day. Please, do not use it during the day. Use them at night. And for the Kojie San and the alpha arbutin, which are these two, let me show it again. The Kojie San and this and the Kojie San, I would recommend that you split the days you use them. Do not use them every day in your routine. Meanwhile, you can use these bar soaps every night in your routine, and remember to pre-cleanse your skin. And when you are not using any of these bar soaps, remember to lock in extra moisture by applying your body lotion and also applying your body oil to seal in the moisture that you have gotten from the body lotion, just to make sure that that moisture is going nowhere. So these are my top 5 brightening and lightening bar soaps of 2026. These are the ones I will recommend for you over and over again if you are struggling with hyperpigmentation, dullness of the skin, uneven skin tone, what else, dark spots. Okay, your skin is not even, then I will recommend that you lay your hands on any of these bar soaps and thank me later. And do not forget to always shop your authentic skincare products from Skin Trust store. Okay, these bar soaps are available for you to shop from Skin Trust store. Their number will be in the description box for you to order. If you are watching particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe. Do not leave this video without subscribing to my channel. Okay, please subscribe. If you are getting the value of your mobile data, subscribe to this channel, and remember to like this video, share it to your loved ones, even your haters. Share it to anyone that you know that is interested in glowing up and the person is looking for affordable bar soaps that can do that for him or her. Share this video, share. Turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video here on YouTube, and leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you have tried any of these bar soap or the one that you're going to try because of the review that I just gave now in this video. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.